Hello, in this video I want to show you where to find fingerprint in each device in Samsung Galaxy S24 series. And to do this, first let's click on the fingerprint setup on each of the device. And also, this one is a Samsung Galaxy S24, this one is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and this one is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now we can continue, register, and each device has its fingerprint scanner on the bottom of the screen. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.